Claus bring you, Spittoons? What did he bring you? Oh boy, so exciting. Don't eat it. Come on, let's open it. Look, Mommy's gonna help you. Oh, that's his present. Oh boy. What is it? What is it? What could it be?
Ma, come here, quick.
What could it be, Spittoons? Yeah. Oh boy.
Look at him freaking out.
Oh boy, open it up. Are you excited? Look. What is it? What is it? Oh boy.
Now I wish I wrapped more presents for him. I didn't think he would be that into it.
Hey, don't eat it. Oh, he's eating the paper.
All right.